Every week, internet culture creates billion-view moments, memes, sounds, creators, AI trends, sports reactions, and viral challenges. But today, there is no real market to price that momentum early. Creators often start the trend but capture almost none of the upside. Brands discover cultural shifts too late, and communities influence what goes viral without reputation, incentives, or monetization rails. This is hype, the culture exchange. Hype is a global market where users list cultural trends, trade them with play money, measure momentum, and compete to find the next breakout signal before it becomes obvious. This is the live culture market board. Each row is a cultural asset, a meme, sound, trend, creator, campaign, or social signal. Users can filter sponsored IPOs, hot trends, AI, sports, fashion, and other categories. Every asset has a trading terminal. The price is not arbitrary. It is powered by an integer bonding curve. Buying shares increases supply and price. Selling burns shares and moves the curve back down. The market depth simulator shows what happens before the trade executes: total cost, average fill, projected spot price, and price impact. It uses the same big-in curve math as the settlement engine. Hype also includes a trend IPO flow. A creator, community, or brand can list a new cultural trend, choose a curve preset, add sponsorship metadata, and launch it into the market without touching the solvency ledger. This creates the monetization surface: sponsored cultural IPOs, promoted trend launches, creator royalty analytics, and campaign-ready assets. Hype can monetize through pro subscriptions, brand campaigns, sponsored leagues, creator royalty analytics, cultural intelligence APIs, and a premium scout reputation marketplace. Hype Pro turns the market into a cultural intelligence terminal for brands, agencies, and creators. Instead of passive analytics, they get a live market signal for what culture is pricing in real time. Brands can sponsor missions around cultural assets, while users compete in culture leagues to become top scouts. This gives users reputation, creators a launch surface, and brands a new way to activate internet culture. The technical core is the ledger. Every unit of money is stored as integer microunits. No floating point accounting. The system continuously proves that user cash plus curve reserves equals all minted money. Exactly. The app is deployed on Vercel and uses Amazon Aurora DSQL as the production database. This is not just storage. The database is part of the trust boundary of the market. Under load, Aurora DSQL detects real transaction conflicts. The engine retries them safely, and after hundreds of concurrent trades, the ledger remains solvent to the microunit. Hype is a million-scale cultural exchange built with Vercel and Amazon Aurora DSQL. Play money. Real database guarantees. The ledger never lies.